Okay, so hey y'all, we are going to go into Daiso. I'm just going to do kind of a quick walk around the store just so you can kind of see what it looks like on the inside. And hopefully they won't say anything because I've never filmed inside of a store. It's my first time. So let's see how that goes. These are the storage containers I was talking about. For 10. How cute these things are. Hooks. Their shoes. And their wall of containers. This is so gorgeous. Look at that. Most items are $1.50. These are so adorable. They're bookends, business card holders. These would be so great to put on the fridge. They have little magnets. The big one is $4. I think the small ones might be $1.50. Large containers to put toys in, laundry, whatever you want. These are so cute. They have a little tray inside. I think I'm gonna buy this to store my little jewelry, earrings in. Ice cube trays. Containers, containers, containers for all your food items. These are so cute as little ice cream dishes. Oh, see, they only have one of those sets left. That's what I was talking about with the spoon, the fork, and the chopsticks. A crafter string, washi tape, hole punch, glue sticks, thread. I have to really hurry up with this video, y'all, because I have like a minute left on my phone to record. There's Spelt here if you're into projects like that. If you love notebooks, definitely come here, $1.50. Sorry, I'm moving too fast, huh? Just cute little notebooks and paper. The whiteboard section, chalkboard. And if you're into okay, that's it, y'all, because my phone is about to shut off.